The motorization of Japan, which has advanced along with the growth of toll roads, has enriched people's daily lives. However, congestion arising from the waits at toll gates has become a serious problem. To resolve such issues, basic reform of the toll road system is urgently needed in Japan. Reform has begun with the introduction of electronic toll collection, or ETC, based on public-private collaboration. Let's examine the ETC system, which represents a new era in motoring. By 1997, toll gate delays were being blamed for 30% of all traffic jams on Japan's expressways. To relieve toll gate congestion, electronic toll collection of charges began in 2001. Conventional human-operated toll gates could process no more than 230 vehicles an hour. ETC dramatically increased that number to 800 vehicles. ETC not only saves valuable time wasted by drivers at toll gates, but also helps reduce fuel consumption and air pollution. ETC is broadly divided into two types: active and passive. Because of their structural simplicity, passive systems are suitable for more straightforward toll segments and are mainly used in North America. But in Japan, active ETC systems are used. These can be adjusted for a range of systems where tolls vary according to distance traveled and the time of day. They also allow the same ETC to be used at all toll gates, even where the same road is run by different operators. This means that users are spared unnecessary costs. Wireless equipment mounted on the car exchanges information with an antenna at the toll gate, allowing cars to pass through without stopping. To allow mutual authentication between roadside equipment and vehicle onboard units, providers are designing sophisticated security based on the advantages of the active system. Charges are paid later using credit card functions. To allow the exchange of signals and ensure safety, drivers must proceed slowly through the ETC gate. Drivers no longer need to open their windows or worry about money. They pass through safely, comfortably, and smoothly. Smart interchanges that use ETC are also being introduced. Converting existing service and parking area entrances into ETC interchanges helps regions and drivers. With no need for new interchanges, land acquisition, building and management costs fall substantially. A basic ETC promotion initiative launched in 2000 sought to quickly reach the 50% use threshold where the effectiveness of the system rises markedly. The aim was to make municipal highways available only to ETC users within a time frame of about 5 years. To achieve this target, the government decided to subsidize installation costs, which had to be borne by the user. Each operator has created incentives to make the adoption of ETC more attractive, including tolling discounts and mileage points. Such strategies succeeded in boosting ETC use to over 60% in just 5 years. To ease the switch to ETC, existing toll gates were designed to handle both ETC and non-ETC vehicles. Let's look at how ETC actually works. Users approach their credit card company for an ETC card. Then they purchase an ETC onboard unit, which is installed and set up. The setup involves recording vehicle and other information needed by the system in the onboard unit and making that unit operational. The data recorded in the onboard unit uses powerful encryption algorithms. To guarantee the security of that information, the Organization for Road System Enhancement was established to centralize the data and manage it efficiently and safely. All setup companies are required to be registered so that the level of their technology and security can be rigorously monitored. With more than 20,000 setup companies nationwide, the environment exists for smooth installation of ETC onboard units and system setup. To promote the spread of ETC, some expressway parking areas offer on-the-spot installation services. Because of the high security level of active systems, they are also being designed for use in places like parking lots and gas stations, and even for the drive-through lanes of fast food chains. Active systems are expected to be used in a wide range of services in the future. One benefit of ETC's growing popularity is less traffic congestion. Along with the increase in ETC usage, in just 2 years, traffic congestion has fallen significantly at Tokyo's toll gates, once constantly plagued by traffic jams. Less toll gate congestion is also a plus for the environment. The graph shows how CO2 emissions at Yokohama's Machida toll gates have gone down. ETC largely contributes to reducing CO2, which causes global warming, and nitrous oxides, which are toxic to humans. The vision behind the promotion of ETC is a society in which all drivers are free of time-wasting traffic congestion and can drive to their destinations safely and smoothly. We will continue to work for the spread of safe and convenient ETC.